Hello, welcome back to my vlog. We have parked our vehicles and we are trekking from here.
I think 45 minutes only, na?
More than 45 minutes. We have to trek around 45 minutes, maybe 30 minutes. What is the place name?
Wahnlangleng.
Yeah, so we are in this place today.
Wow, that was very easy for you.
We could have brought our bikes, no? It would have been a very nice ride. Yeah, off-roading would be good, no?
Yeah. We saw what's the road. This is far better.
This is all a private property, guys. Okay, we can cook here also.
You.
कैसा लग रहा है विश्व? कैसा लग रहा है?
I think rainy season is going to be very slippery.
Oh, obviously.
Yeah.
Obviously. So we are here at this very beautiful place and we had a breakfast with some fruits and my friends, they went to get some good pictures, and once they return we'll start cooking.
We need to watch these things though. Tomato and all things.
Where are those masalas? Thomas? The big bag, big bag.
Fine. You want mustard?
Yeah.
Zeno, I'm done.
I don't know how is this.
Knife is also not sharp too.
What, not sharp?
Yeah, it's not sharp.
I only
Only this many I took for crispy. Thomas.
Why, man?
Yeah, it's fine.
Some more piece, man.
Add that one too. Add that one too.
Which one?
This is the freshest pudina I ever saw. No.
Everything will be fine. Just smash it inside. So this is my LFG chicken in the process. Just wash the hell here, no? Now I need to mix my. How many this one we got?
Huh?
Like this one? Enough, no?
10.
Because I'll be wasting two now.
Nah, fine. 10 only. That's what.
Huh? Ruko.
This is the trash bag, no? You need to get that stand. I got that dog also. I don't know. No.
You'll be using, no?
No. I don't have to make anything. This is only for salad.
We'll start cooking together, no?
Oh my god. Look at them.
It's not standing though. If we keep this side, God will attack.
Keep the watermelon here.
It's fine. The chicken.
That is too much.
This is only for color, no?
Guys,
These are cooked for today. What are you going to prepare?
Eat chicken.
So once again, we're going to cook Kira's chicken and Larry's fried chicken.
Why are you talking like that?
Ready? Look, Thomas. Oh my god. You need to keep something that side, not to block this one.
Yeah, I've been. Should I keep my bag there?
The only option is you should keep the table there. Then behind the table we can keep something. Thomas? Oi.
Keep the bag that way. That's it.
और कुछ चाहिए और एक चाहिए again we need to
Huh?
Take my bag.
I hope so this will be helpful
But actually, the wind is coming from this side. It's fine.
so we'll take some more
No, it's fine.
I guess it's okay okay no fire good give me this one no oil
You want to make it here?
fine so give me one this one no वो ये से वाला चिकन रखने के लिए foil You need some more oil?
No.
That's enough. Only my one will be deep fry now.
And she wants to fry patal also.
Can you fry patal? You can fry it here only. You go.
We are all vloggers, all vloggers plus cook as well, multitasker, you know. Oh, this is cool, you know. You know guys, we had to press for almost 45 minutes. I think 45 minutes only, na?
More than 40.
I think more than 45
Because we
minutes.
stopped on the way.
Yeah, because we, took a pause in between. Obviously, it's not possible to trek continuously without a pause, without a break. You have to stop somewhere. So I think altogether it takes about an hour. And that's why I think we are very dehydrated, very hungry. But you will not regret it because I think it's worth the view.
It's really.
I mean, it's worth the trek. You will not complete.
People are going now, only we are touching the food. Going? Yeah.
At least we bought salt.
Yeah.
That is more important than turmeric. Either we have to eat or we have to distribute before we eat.
Yeah, we'll eat now.
Yeah.
We are planning to eat.
Guava also was there. We have not even eaten, no? So beautiful, yeah. Oh, this thing.
Point. Everything is point. Oh, I'm going to become ninja now.
We have ginger, no, na?
Ginger garlic paste.
Ginger, garlic paste.
See, this chicken is normal. That's why I thought. Here one. No. Oh, yeah.
Oh, something was inside my eyes, so.
So this is a place. It's very quiet, calm. Start of the day, it's crowded, but as it's getting darker, as the sun is going down, the place is very quiet, calm. Perfect.
Oh, no, no. Ready? Surf na.
We're done with the cooking, and then it's already late because we reached the place a little bit late. So that is the reason I did not shoot the video while we are having a food, and we just try to make everything fast and then leave the place because it was already getting dark.